Hi, boys and girls. How are you? I'm Miss Mudpie Manners. Remember me? Well, I have not been here in a long time, and I've missed you so much. Well, oh, and I hear Ms Etty. She is right here with me. She's going to come and say hi. Oh, Ms Etty, here you are. Say hi to the boys and girls. Oh, yes. And I see that you are ready to go. We're going to make a centerpiece today. And I want to put you down so you can listen, okay? Okay. Well, the first thing I told your parents that you would need a roll of toilet paper. Do you have your roll of toilet paper? It could be big, it could be small, it could be medium. Okay, looks like this. So put it aside. Now, the next thing you need is a piece of material. So I asked your parents to get you a piece of material. My material is going to be big enough to cover my toilet paper. Then you're going to need this. And I asked your parents to have you go and look for something that looks like this. And you're going to need a pair of scissors. And you're going to need some paper. Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your toilet paper. You're going to take your material and you're going to put your material down flat. Then you're going to take your toilet paper and you're going to cover your toilet paper. Yes. Okay, can you see it? Okay, I'm going to move you back a little bit so you can see. And I'm going to take this material and going to take one side and then just push it into the middle like this. Okay? Now take the other side and just bring it up and push it into the middle like this. And take this and put it into the middle like this. Now be sure to just bring it up and push it in. You don't need anything else but just push it in. And take the last part and you're going to push it in and sort of fluff it out a little bit. Fluff it out. Parents can help you, adults can help you. Alright, so it should sort of look like this. Okay? Alright. Now you're going to take your thing that you made, which is going to be your stem. And you can see that it's going to be a pumpkin. Yes, it's going to be a pumpkin. And then you're going to take your scissors. You're going to fold the paper up. Fold your green paper up like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. So we're going to fold it like this. See how I did it? And now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it in half. Like this. And then I'm going to fold it again. And this time I'm going to leave it folded. But I'm going to make a sort of like a, I'm going to take my scissors and go like this. It's going to be sort of like a leaf shape, like this. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And then I'm just going to stick it in to where the stem is, and voila! You have your pumpkin, and you can put it on your table for Thanksgiving, for a centerpiece. And oh, and I think Ms Etty wants to come in and she wants to give you a manner. Do you have a manner for us today? You do? Can you tell me? Oh, yes, that's a good one. Yes. Respect, respect. Respect your things, yes, and you will be happy and sing. Respect, everyone's things. That's a very good manner. You should respect everyone's things, shouldn't you? It's very important, isn't it, to respect each other's property? Yes. And we'll say it again. Respect each other's things, and you will be happy and sing. Yes. Well, I'm going to put you down and say goodbye to the boys and girls. Bye-bye. And next time, we're going to be reading a story about garden sounds. And I will tell your parents a little bit about, parents and adults, about what we're going to be doing. All right. Until then, bye. I love you. Bye from Miss Mud Pie Manners.